Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the excess oil on my face because I'm very oily with just this plain white tissue because I don't have any blotting sheets. It's like that. Dami kong pimple ngayon. I don't care, pimples are normal. Tapos, pagkatapos yun, mag-alcohol ako ng hands ko. Because it's always important to have your hands clean if you're putting your makeup on, or else you're going to get more pimples and you don't want that. I'm going to spray my face with this one. Konti na lang siya. Yan o. Konti na lang. This is the Nature Republic Soothing Moisture Aloe Vera. This is actually really great for your skin, guys. Aloe vera is good. Wala na, ubos na. And I'm going to make this video a talk through video because my mom told me to talk in my videos kasi nagiging boring na siya if it's only music and mga text lang. So, I'm talking! Yay! Mom! I granted your wish! My makeup brushes. See? Nasa jar siya. Nasa lotion ito. And nahihila siyang ganyan. So the dirt won't go inside of my makeup brushes. And it's really cute. The foundation that I'm going to use for today is the Max Factor Miracle Match foundation in the color Sand 60. Actually,
This is my mom's foundation, and minaka ko lang siya ulit because I don't have foundation anymore. So, just need to spread that around.
feeling ko maputi yung foundation. Why did I choose this?
Because Lolita's white, that's why I choose this.
So, spread ko lang siyang ganyan. Tapos na. Joke. Beauty blender to blend. I really like this foundation because it's super high coverage. Is that how you think? High coverage? Like full? No, not high. It's full coverage. Wala yung pimple hindi siya natatakpan. Pati yung eye bag. And now we're going to move with the concealer. This is going to be like a really everyday makeup type of look because Lolita is just a kid and I don't really want to look old. I just want to stick with that, with my age, which is like teenager, 16. But yeah, kakonfeel ko lang ang aking mga dark spots, which is the eye bags and yung mga pimple. By the way, the concealer that I'm using is my all-time favorite Max Factor Panstik Concealer. Hindi siya nauubos. Like, siguro nakailang years na to sa akin, but ito na lang pala yung natitira. Medyo matagalang gamit din siya. That's why if you're looking for a nice concealer, you should try this out. Because the coverage is nice. And I think the price is not that expensive also. I'm going to set it with my all-time favorite powder, this one, Innisfree Sebum powder. Actually, I don't really know what I'm doing. But and then I'm going to powder. Just the areas where I get oily. Okay, and 4. So this is my all-time favorite palette. This is from Sleek. And wala na yung black. Oh my gosh! Wala na yung black. Oh my gosh! Nabasag! Nabasag! I will be taking this color right here. I'm going to fill in my brows. Medyo may arch. May arch. Okay, nasobrahan siya. Pero, G lang. Oh! Oh, pataas. Pero okay. So, I will be taking a fluffy brush. And may kumakatok sa pintuan ko, which is annoying. I'll be using MAC eyeshadow. Ano ba? Eyeshadow duo. And I'll be using the color orange right here. And then we'll do the same thing. MAC single eyeshadow. This is in the color of satin taupe. Like that. But kind of like that. Uy, napador. Taking this MAC eyeshadow and the color Solar White. In your eye corner. May pa-shimmer. To curl our lashes. Curling, curling. Curling, curling. It's so naughty. Put at the bottom lashes too. And down. And so I'll be putting that in that motion like you. So it's going to give you that useful blush. To look like a natural blush. I'm going to put blush downwards. Pula ng face ko right now. Like sa camera, di siya kita. Pero right now it's super pink. I'll be using a pink shade first because this is the sweet look of Lolita. The Lolita final look. Oy! Wait, may kulang. A fluffy brush and a contour color. I'm going to contour my nose because I can't. Wala na ang lahat. Wag lang ang contour because contour is life.